So the federal feature of the Indian constitution is destroyed by the NDA government. NDA means nation destroying alliance. They are destroying the nation by appointing honorable such governors to the Karnataka. So Article 163 clearly says Council of Ministers should aid and advise the governor. But governor is not listening the thoughts and views of the Council of Ministers. So governor is independently acting. So I request Honorable Governor Ji to read the Constituent Assembly debates during Constituent Assembly, which was framed 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. They framed one drafting committee. In the drafting committee, Munshi sir said, Munshi is the member of the drafting committee, said one thing: the governor should not be a center agent. Even Baba Sahib Ambedkar, drafting committee chairman, said governor is not independent. He should aid and advise of the Council of Ministers. But even they don't have a respect on Indian Constitution. So we strongly condemn the steps of the governor. So once again, my personal view: shame, shame, governor. Governor Hatao, Karnataka Bachao. Thank you, sir.